and moon. Sunrise 6:02 a.m. Sunset 6:04 p.m. Moonrise 7:40 p.m. Moonset 7:11 a.m. on 20th September. Tithi, lunar day. Krishna Dvitiya, the second day of the Krishna Paksh, waning moon, until 8:44 p.m. followed by Krishna Tritiya. Significance: Krishna Dvitiya is associated with purification and organizing one's life. It is a good time to plan and declutter both physically and mentally. Nakshatra, lunar mansion. Revati Nakshatra until 1:19 p.m. followed by Ashwini Nakshatra. Revati, this nakshatra fosters compassion, healing and nurturing energy suitable for creative activities and helping others. Ashwini, known for vitality and speed, Ashwini is favorable for beginning new projects and setting intentions for rapid growth. Yoga, Ganda Yoga until 10:53 a.m. followed by Vriddhi Yoga. Ganda Yoga, known to bring obstacles, this yoga requires extra care and attention in decision making. Vriddhi Yoga fosters growth and success, making it a favorable time for business and personal endeavors. Karana, Pava Karana until 8:44 p.m. followed by Balva Karana. Bava, good for initiating new projects and long-term planning. Balva, known for its stabilizing influence, it is suitable for tasks that require persistence and cooperation. Paksh, Krishna Paksh, the waning phase of the moon, a time for reflection, spiritual work, and reducing unnecessary attachments. Samvatsara, Shaka Samvat 1946, Krodhi. Vikram Samvat 2081, Pingala. Gujarati Samvat 2080, Rakshasa. Auspicious timings: Shubh Muhurt, Abhijit Muhurt 11:41 a.m. to 12:31 p.m. an ideal time for important decisions or starting new projects. Amrit Kalam 9:33 a.m. to 11:07 a.m. another highly favorable period for auspicious activities. Inauspicious timings: Dur Muhurtam, Rahu Kalam 1:47 p.m. to 3:20 p.m. avoid starting important tasks during this time. Yamaganda 6:02 a.m. to 7:36 a.m. not suitable for significant decisions or activities. Gulikai Kalam 9:08 a.m. to 10:41 a.m. avoid starting new ventures during this period. Planetary positions: Sun, Surya in Leo, Sinha. Moon, Chandra in Aries, Mesha. Mars, Mangal in Taurus, Vrishbha. Mercury, Buddha in Leo, Sinha. Jupiter, Guru in Taurus, Vrishbha. Venus, Shukra in Leo, Sinha. Saturn, Shani in Aquarius, Kumbha. Rahu in Pisces, Meena. Ketu in Virgo, Kanya. Additional observations: Chandra Rashi, Moon sign, Aries, Mesha. Disha Shul, direction to avoid for travel. South, traditionally, travel towards the south is not recommended on this day. Season, Ritu, Varsha Ritu, monsoon season, a time of growth, healing and nourishment. Significance of the day: Thursday, Guruvara ruled by Jupiter. Guru, this day is ideal for religious and educational activities, seeking wisdom and making long-term plans. It's a good time to focus on higher knowledge, spirituality and generosity. Good and bad yogas. Good yoga, Vriddhi Yoga, is highly favorable for activities that involve growth, success and positive outcomes, especially in business and personal matters. Bad yoga, Ganda Yoga, suggests a need for caution as it may bring difficulties. Avoid hasty decisions and take time to reflect before proceeding.